Hello, my name is Jacob Levitt, and today my mission for you is to solve this Rubik's Cube in under 1 minute. Now, there are many different ways to solve a Rubik's Cube. Some you can even do with your eyes closed. But if you really want a challenge, the cube needs to be mixed up in the first place. Speaking of mixing it up, may I please have an audience member from the crowd? Sam, over there in the red chair. Hi Sam, I'm going to ask you to mix this cube up pretty good for me. While he's mixing that up, I'm going to tell a little fact on how the Rubik's Cube was invented. It was invented by Aaron Rubik in 1974 to teach his students about 3D shapes and geometrical figures. You can mix it up a little bit more than that. Thanks. You can go back to your seat. I'm expecting the cube a little. Yo, DJ, drop that sick beat.
Watch me take this color cube and help you resolve it. Wanna solve your Rubik's Cube? First you gotta pray. Nah, I'm only kidding. Let me show you the way. See, first you get the top, which is relatively easy. It all starts out with a simple T, see? Align your T with the colors on the side. Let's finish up the top. By these Rubiks you must abide. Down, bottom up, pops a corner up. I said down, bottom up, pops a corner up. Again, down, bottom up, pops a corner up. Now do that 4 times. Who means beginner's luck? Tops off.
Audience member to read what it says on the timer. Oliver in the black sweatshirt.
It says 42 seconds.
42